Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Boxing Day is one of the biggest shopping events of the year, and your store should be ready to make the most of it. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Boxing Day discount in Shopify to boost your sale. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now go for the discount code as your discount type and add any discount code. So for now, I'm adding Boxing 100 as my discount code, and I'm planning to give a discount percentage of 10 with a capping amount of 100. Now I can set this discount can be applied for all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. I'm adding it for all the products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it from there. And for now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And in case of customer eligibility, you can also set it for the all the customers or some customers having some tag or only on first orders. So I'm adding it for all the customers. And I can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. So I'm adding 100 here, which means that this discount can be applied for only the 100 first customers. And I can also limit the number of time this discount used by the customers. So it should be one only. And in the active days, I can set some start date and an end date through which this discount code is activated. And I can also combine the discount code with existing codes like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all these changes, adding all these details, I'm going to save the changes. And now I am checking from the discount section like whether it got activated. Now you can see that Boxing 100 has got activated. Now let's test this up in our online store. I am planning to buy a product of 23 now. So if I'm applying my code here, you can see that only 2 rupees got deducted from the MRP, which is the 10% of the maximum price, which is 23. Now I'm just checking with some other products of worth 5,000. Now I'm adding this product to the cart. I'm applying my code here. Now you can see that the discount amount is 100. Even though the 10% of 5,000 is 500, our cap amount ensures that the users will not be getting any offer price more than 100. So because we have already set up our discount capped at 100. So this is how you set up a Boxing Day discount campaign in Shopify. Use the app link in the description and start preparing today. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.